how strong he is. Look at that. Look at how fast he is. Look at how smart he is. My God, he just wrote an equation and it's completely solved all of global warming.
There's an ant.
He fed his entire 100-person family with nothing but his left pinky. He defeated ISIS single-handedly and cured cancer at the same time.
It's true. I'm just that good. I'll plant your tributes in the ground. I'll put him 6 feet under with only my far left molar. Stop it, stop it, stop it. I will kill you. Alright, come on.
I'm sorry, folks. Sometimes he gets a little bit riled up. But that's why you should choose him as the tribute from District 11. This is why he's going to win the Hunger Games. Thank you, and good night.